$164,000, $167,000, $303,000. This is just mind-blowing. In this video, I'm going to share with you a very simple sleep product that's doing over $300,000 per month in sales on Amazon. And the best part is there's low competition. There's not a lot of saturation around this product. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you the exact process I use to find this product. So what exactly is it? It is mouth tape, right? And if you are wondering, why do I want to sell mouth tape? So if I pop open Jungle Scout, which is the software that I use to help determine which products are worth me investing time, energy, and money into, Jungle Scout says they have something called the opportunity score. And as you can see right here, there's high demand, meaning a lot of people are searching for it, a lot of people are buying it, but more importantly, there's low competition, right? There's a lot of money to be made in this niche itself. So as we can see, some of the monthly revenue of these listings are crazy, right? $136,000, $164,000, $167,000, $303,000. This is just mind-blowing, the amount of money that's being spent on such a simple product, okay? So let's pop open this listing and just understand what we are doing, because I think a lot of people, when they think about Amazon, they think we're gonna be drop shipping, or they think we're gonna be buying from Nike or popular brands and selling them on Amazon, or going to discount stores and selling them on Amazon. No, we are going to be doing something called private labeling. And what that means is we are getting a generic product like mouth tape, and we are putting our own brand on it, our own logo on it, and then creating our own listing, right? Because we know there's so much demand, right? Look at all these listings and the numbers that they're doing. There's so much demand for this product that we can do that and start making money. So how do we go about finding this product to sell? So if we go over to Alibaba, if you're not familiar with Alibaba, it puts us in connection with other suppliers, other manufacturers to have our products made, and then eventually for us to sell those products on Amazon. So if I just go ahead and type mouth tape and 30, right? I put 30 because this is a 30 pack. So we want to mimic, we want to model what's already working. We know this listing on Amazon, this product is selling 300 grand a month. Let's just mimic it. Let's model it, right? So we want to sell a 30 pack also. Now, before you go ahead and select any of these products to start inquiring about and start selling, you have to do me a favor and select verified supplier in the bottom left. That's going to give us the best of the best suppliers. The last thing I want you to do is work with a shady supplier that is going to run off with your money, or they're not going to create the product as you intended to. So we want to only work with verified suppliers. So if we scroll down, we could see some of the products and how we can order them for much cheaper than what they're selling for. So if we see right here, here's a 30 pack of the mouth tape, and it's selling for $2.09. So let's pop open that, and we can see that the price changes based on the quantity that we're ordering. All right, so does this all make sense so far? If you have any questions, let me know what they are in the comments, and stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how I found this product. So now we know that we can buy this product in bulk and sell it on Amazon for, buy it for around $2, sell it for $23. But that's not the only step. We need to know exactly how much money we can make, because we still need to pay Amazon, right? Amazon has certain fees that we need to pay them. So if we go over to Amazon's revenue calculator, you can get to this page by just Googling Amazon revenue calculator. It'll bring you to this page. You don't need to sign up for anything. We can find out by detail to the penny how much profit we're going to make, right? Because we need to know that. Okay, so we're going to grab something called the ASIN from this listing, right? We're modeling this listing, so we want to grab the ASIN. That is this number right here. This is a unique identifier. It's kind of like a UPC code. So we're going to grab that, and it's going to, Amazon's revenue calculator will pull all the data around from this listing. So we just click search, and now it knows the weight of the product, how much it's selling for, and all the fees involved with it. So before we go any further, I want you to pay attention to the Amazon fulfillment and your fulfillment side. So we're going to stick with Amazon fulfillment. Okay, this means that Amazon is we're going to buy the products and ship it into Amazon's big warehouses. When our product sells, Amazon is going to have one of their workers pick it. They're going to get it when it sells. They're going to package it. They're going to ship it. If there's any returns, they're going to handle it. If there's any customer service that's needed, they're going to handle it. It's a very hands-off process, right? And it's very beneficial if you're looking to scale eventually. Versus the your fulfillment. Okay, this is meaning you're selling out of your garage, you're going to the post office every day, you're doing the returns. It's much more involved than the Amazon fulfillment. So we're going to stick with Amazon fulfillment, Amazon FBA. So we could see that it's selling for $23.99. The Amazon fees are $4.59. Fulfillment costs $3.92. Storage cost less than a penny. Inbounding, this is us sending it to Amazon's warehouse, 34 cents a unit. And then we had to put in our cost of goods sold, right? So we could see over here, we could buy it. Let's say we're buying between 500 to 3,000 units. We could buy it for around $1.84, but we have to keep into consideration that we still need to ship it from the manufacturer. There's going to be tariffs involved. So let's just say it is around $3 per unit. So we're going to put $3, and that's our cost of goods sold. And we can scroll down here and see there's a net profit margin of 50%. That's insane. $12.14 profit margin per unit. And this exact listing is selling 256 units a day at $12.14. Insanity. A lot of money to be made. So how did I find this product, and how can you use the same method that I use to find similar products? So first, you need to start with a big topic or a big keyword. So in this example, I was using mouth, right? You can use something else like hand and then just type space. And you can see that Amazon autofills all of this information, right? Because think of Amazon like a search engine for products, right? It's like Google, but for products. Google, you're searching for information. Amazon, you're searching for products. So they autofill this, right? Hand mixer, hand soap, or you could just start typing letters, A, right? Hand and foot warmers, hand air pump. I have no idea what a hand air pump is, but that's what comes up. Let's see if it's actually worth it. Pop open Jungle Scout, and I don't know, it could be worth it, but that's how you figure it out, right? High demand, low competition. I guess we found another product to sell, but that's how you find these products. You have to go in with a big keyword and then narrow it down and take the time to really analyze if the product is worth it or not with some kind of software. I prefer Jungle Scout. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.